barbecue assistant. Gonna help cook this pork butt. It's on at 7:50 a.m. It's suddenly dark.
It's really moving fast.
Yeah. Over there you can see.
Almost looks like snow.
Well, we're gonna get hit by that. We're gonna check this as the storm hits. We are at 152 here. And then look at the temp, almost 225. And this fire is good and hot. Stay tuned. Should pass pretty quick. The storm has passed. And we have $158, 160. We wrap it up. We got 158 there. 250. And the fire's still rocking. Life is good. The secret ingredient. You can see all that liquid in there? Well, see, that's why we gotta. Juice is out. What? He eats the mud. He was eating the mud yesterday. He's kind of a villain, you know what?
Pretty much.
He's a villain in his own story, aren't you, Mr.
So
Walt?
wrap it tight then?
That's where the fire is still. We're bros, right? And bros, look. Thunderstorm passed. And we're barbecuing. What do you have to say about that, Kowalski? Look, he knows what's going on in there. He wants to make sure he's guarding it for himself, aren't you? The temperature's going up. I want a little bit hotter, so let's see, get that chunk of hickory in there. It's gonna be 170. Going up. 205 is what we're shooting for. We're going to take it off of here and let it rest. Now. And we're going to take this off of here and we're going to put it in the cooler to rest. Bottom of that to protect the cooler. Now we're going to shut it.
Oh yeah, that's why he's wet.
That's why he's damp.